Even those few policemen making roadblocks, toll station, the one the speaker has talked about, again is a reflection of society. There are just a few officers who are rotten, and we are on it. We are on it. Very soon the president will receive the report on the task force that is looking into the issues of the police force, police service, and there will be changes. Soon, in the next 2 weeks, the president will meet all the regional and security committees to discuss with them the concerns of the people of Kenya, among what you are saying on the roadblocks. The Ruto administration has decided that continuous engagement with everybody is the modus operandi of this government. For the first time, government is talking to police. Nobody has ever talked to them. Mimi ndio nimeanza juzi kuwaita tuongee. And we are making progress by talking to them. You know, hapo zamani walikuwa wanatumiwa signal fanya hii na hii, and nobody is even rationalizing what they are supposed to do. We are now sitting down with police officers and allowing them to talk to us. We talk to them and we agree. In the next 2 weeks, the president will convene a meeting of all the county security teams, the regional security teams, and all the formation commanders for a one-day tete-a-tete with the president to agree on the concerns of the people of Kenya. Then the police can also tell us where they are facing challenges. And we'll have an honest conversation, because our police pia ni wa Kenya. They are people's husbands, they are people's brothers, they are people's sisters. And they are a product of this same society. For them to take that bribe, somebody has offered that bribe. Si ni ukweli? Kuna mtu ameingia mfuko na polisi ati ameingia mfuko kuchukua pesa yako. Nyinyi wenyewe ndio mnatoa na kusema wewe afande iko chai kidogo. You are also the ones who also entice our police officers. They are equally guilty for also taking. They are also not good. But even those who give you are also not good. So we need an honest conversation. Tusikuwe na blame game ati polisi ndio baya peke yao. Hapana, mkikosa kutoa hawezi chukua. So wacha tukubaliane. Let us have a conversation at that level of the president, because we have found that engaging the people of Kenya is a way to run this country.